Me, manners! Don't forget!
It was cleanup time. Toys went into bins, but Mimi had a yummy cookie. Crunch, crunch, she munched loudly. Crumbs went everywhere, on her shirt, on the floor. Her friend Leo looked surprised. Ms. Rose smiled kindly. Mimi, sweetie, when we eat, it's good to be gentle. Loud crunching and dropping crumbs make more mess for cleanup. Can you try eating quietly? Mimi looked at her cookie. She took a small, quiet bite. She thought. It was hard to be quiet. She tried really, really hard to keep the crumbs in her hand. Her tummy felt a little squishy with effort. Soon, Mimi finished her cookie. No crumbs on her shirt. No loud chomping. Ms. Rose clapped softly. Yay, Mimi! You ate so politely. Mimi's heart felt warm and proud. She gave a big smile. Cleanup felt much easier with no extra crumbs. Mimi learned that good manners make everything, even cleanup, much nicer for everyone. She felt happy knowing she could be neat and polite.